Hello friends, welcome to Arshid Stock Business News. And friends, today we are going to see one of the company entering into EV business. So we already keen about this business. That's why I am excited to announce the share name Sulzer Electronics Limited. So this company having good electronic manufacturing capabilities. Already they are having everything which a company uh, needs, like on electronic side. Why? Because if you see the portfolio of the company, you will automatically know when you go and hear on its products list, you are going to see industrial components, motor control products and transformers, building segments, customer copper segments and energy segments. Everything which are like MCBs, over relays, overload relays, and cable ducts and load break isolators and everything it is providing, and miniature circuit breaker and PVC installed copper wiring and cables, single phase motor starters and house wires and everything which is looking good. But it's a small company, very small company, and which having their online store also. If you click on online store, it redirect you to online store and it will show you the products which they are offering. Like see here, like new products or popular products, just maybe they started just maybe. And if you are going to see industrial segment, so it's gonna be they initialized now, I think, but it's looking good of their popular site also. uh, and next thing which we are going to see is, like friends, the company latest announcement they made that they are going to start a EV charging manufacturing company. So with this, they are partnered with a Australian company. And if you observe here, friends, on July 9th, they announced this. That means July 9th means which is Friday itself announced, maybe market after market or maybe. But friends, the company likely to investing 18 crores for this venture GV. And in this, see here, Solar Electronics Limited and Costard. It's some other company which is partnering to manufacture this GV, and joint venture. They are holding like 26% by Sulzer, and Costard investing 16%. Remaining all will be one of the private player, and they are like partnering with Australian company to manufacture these DC fast chargers for EV companies. And next thing is, like friends, they are investing little bit, and they will take remaining percentage also. And if you observe here, eMarch LLP, a company with abundant resources and knowledge in power electronics, will hold 6%. So 26, which is 42, and next one is this 48. So total 50% is there with the best ones, and the remaining rest will be held by private investors. Slow, that means who are having like future grip, they also invested here. The total investments in this venture would be 18 crores, and 26% which will be borne by Sulzer over a period of time. So friends, this is the latest update in this company. Maybe they can manage, friends. Like they are already having like good amount of capabilities in electronic circuit manufacturers. So they can give a good view in coming years. But friends, one thing which we are going to see is the company's overview. So see here, Sulzer joint venture for EV station. So they are, this is what they meant for up to now, and now they are entering into like EV manufacturers. So they are like feasibility and target markets, and they are like thinking to scale up their view on charging stations. See here, this is the main foray which the company is planning. uh, India and Southeast Asia and the Middle East, these products they manufacture, right? They will product sales they are expecting India, Southeast Asia and Middle East. Yeah, Middle East, they are planning to sell their products which they manufacture, like these EV charging chargers. And next thing, friends, whenever unlock happens, these type of companies going to benefit, in my view. See here, they mentioned Costard is an Australia-based family-owned company specialized in customized electromobility solutions. So maybe I am thinking it will be like a turnaround for the company, maybe. And if Tata will partner with this company, also looks good, because like this company having like partnering with new uh, games, like newer ones, right? So we may expect like this one will get a good scope of future. So next thing is like, friends, the company having like a market capital 265 crores, and next thing they are having enterprise value of 432 crores, regarding with their orders, their assets and everything. It includes here enterprise value. And now with the share value representation, the market capital, this is the negative thing which the company having 178 crores as a debit. But one thing which we are going to notice is like their ROE. So see here, friends, their latest ROE, which is like 16.3%, and here 19.3%, 1 years. So it impresses me little bit of its ROE compared with previous years, friends. So I am thinking it will give good returns, but we have to continuously focus on this company's growth, friends. Whenever you thought that the growth is not up to the mark, so at that time we will come out of the share is good. So friends, thank you very much, and if you like our videos, please subscribe my channel and share my channel.